Hi guys, I am back today. I told you guys I was going to come back and let you know like if anything changed with the update of my hair growth journey. So I have a few oils here that I mixed together to combine with one to go ahead and help my journey along the way. Now with these oils, you can use them individually because from what I've researched and reviewed and others people's videos that I saw on them, they work perfectly fine each individually by themselves. So you don't have to do what I have done. However, this is what I did and what I'm happy with and what I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you all of the oils that I'm using. I'm also going to post the link down in the description box of what these oils are, where you can find them, and what some of the benefits of them are. So let's get started because I don't want to ramble on and make this video super long. So first I got this little bottle right here. It is from the beauty supply store. You can get it wherever you can find it at with the bottle. It has a nozzle top, so it's easy for me to get inside of my hair to go ahead and do what it is to oil my scalp as I would like to do. This is going to be replacing my wild growth hair oil. As you guys already know, that's what I'm going to be using to regrow my edges. So this oil combination is what I'm going to be using to go ahead and replace that as my oil that I'm going to be using. My updates are going to be every 30 days with the growth, and I'm gonna just post like videos here and there in between if it's concerning my hair growth, or if I switch products or use something that I feel that would be beneficial or helpful to my journey, or that I've incorporated into my journey. But for one, this is going to be my oil. I may be coming back with, like, if I choose to use shampoos, because you guys know I really don't use shampoos on my hair. I kind of stick with my conditioners. If I can get a shampoo that's not going to dry my hair out and make it feel like straw, or I find something that works well with a line, I will definitely bring that to you guys as well. I am, however, one of these products I'm going to show you, very interested in their line because it obviously is not new, but it's new to me. So I'm interested in that line, and I'm going to go purchase the items myself, and I'm going to make a video on them. When I get to that item, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start off by showing y'all the first one. Y'all know that I already told you guys that I was going to be using the wild growth hair oil. So this is also in that mixture. So I have wild growth hair oil. You guys know wild growth hair oil has its own list of oils that are already combined in it, and I told you guys wild growth hair oil actually works for my hair to make it longer. I don't know about thicker, but it definitely elongated my hair when I was using it, so I'm going to continue to use it. Now another oil that is in this mixer is the Txtr by Cantu. It's oil and vitamin scalp saver. It says it helps promote healthy hair and scalp with mineral oil and fragrance free. So no mineral oil and no fragrances in here. Now this one has like a very earthy smell, like if you guys know what I'm talking about, it's like organic-y kind of smell. This one also has a nozzle top. You can use it by itself if you want, that's perfectly fine, but this is one of the oils that is in my oil mixture. I got all of my oils from my local beauty supply store, just in case you guys are wanting to know. I purchased all of them from my local beauty supply store. None of these was sent to me. I purchased it with my own hard-earned money. So this one is a 5 ounce. The wild growth hair oil is 4 ounces. The Txtr by Cantu is a 5 ounce, and this one says it treats, replenishes with vitamin A, D, E, and K. Plus it restores with rosemary and burdock root oils. That is a few of the oils that are in here, along with a lot of other oils that is in the Txtr by Cantu. If you have issues finding this in your local beauty supply store like I did, I have a link down there for you to go click on it to get it from Amazon. So it is cheaper in the beauty supply store that I found. So if you are able to get it in your beauty supply store, go ahead. All of these oils, as a matter of fact, except for one of them, I believe, well, no, all of them are cheaper if you go get them at the beauty supply store versus ordering online at Amazon. So if you go to your beauty supply stores, you'll save yourself a few bucks instead of going to purchase it off of Amazon. But if you aren't in one of those areas where you don't have access to beauty supply stores, or it is just a hassle for you, I got you. I posted the links down in the bottom. You can go and get them from Amazon. The next oil that I have is the Allocation Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. It's for kinky, curly, wavy, straight, and locks. And this oil right here, this is not a new oil. You guys have, Allocation has some awesome products. And the smell of this, I absolutely love the smell of this. It smells so good. So these next two oils that I'm going to show you actually make the oil mixture smell very nice. It's not an overpowering smell where, you know, those of us who are scent sensitive, I'm not one of those people who are scent sensitive, nor is anyone in my household, so it doesn't disturb anyone in my household either. And it is not like something that lingers either. So the smell is a nice smell and it does not linger. It'll go away after a while. But anyways, this one is the Allocation Naturals. Again, you can use it by itself if you guys would like, but it's in my oil mixture that I have gone ahead and mixed together with all of these other oils. All of these oils are about this color right here, which is like a lemony light yellow color. All of them are this color except for the Wild Growth Hair Oil. The Wild Growth Hair Oil is a darker brownish type color, which is why you see my oil have that dark color. That comes from the Wild Growth Hair Oil. So the Allocation Naturals one, it has 17 oils upon itself in here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna add this in here as well. And this is also a hair growth oil. Now, my last and final oil, I have seen so many reviews on this, and you guys probably have saw as well. This is by The Main Choice. It is a natural growth and retention oil. Now, this says it's for all hair types as well. It comes in the nozzle top. So like I said a little bit earlier, if you guys want to purchase them individually, go ahead. Because from what I read and understood, all of them are great upon and left alone by themselves without adding any other oils or anything else with them. They work perfectly fine. However, I want to see how all of them work together and blend it together and see how it works. I'm trying to get the maximum growth, length retention, and healthiness out of my hair, and I want to see if in fact mixing all these together will give me a faster result than me just using one by itself. We definitely will see about this, but all of these are hair growth oils, so we're gonna just see what happens. But anyways, this again is the Main Choice Natural Growth and Retention Oil. The bottle looks just like this. I'll try to insert some clips, close-up clips of each one of them for you guys, so you can go ahead in case you're having problems like seeing them or anything like that. I will definitely insert some pictures if I am able to somewhere in this video or in the beginning of the video so you guys can see. So with this oil mixture here, I'm going to be continuing my hair growth journey. And again, if I come back with any shampoos, conditioners, or anything else that I feel is going to help my hair along this growth journey, because I'm not only regrowing my edges, that is a big thing for me, I want to try to grow the rest of my hair as well to get it thicker and longer. That is not really a big thing for me because the rest of my hair, I don't have any issues with it. It is a nice length and it's a nice density that I like. So I'm not really pushing to make any of that a priority, but it will be beneficial. I'm mostly focused on my edges and growing them back. So that is it for these oils, you guys. And if you want to go ahead and try my combination or one or the other, you're more than welcome to try and let me know how that works for you. I thank all of you guys for watching this video. I am so enjoying making them for you. Make sure you click that notification bell so you can go ahead and get alerts when I post new videos so you don't miss anything. Also, thank you so much for all of you who have stuck with me this very long time. I greatly appreciate all of you. Thank you for the people who are just joining my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika and I absolutely love you guys and thank you so much for your support. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.